Hey G fam, welcome back to another vlog. I'm Janetta, for those who don't know me. If you're new here, hi, welcome to the G family. And if you're a returning subscriber, it's another day, it's another vlog. You know how it is, you know the vibes, baby. Yeah. Hi guys. Hope you guys are good and I hope you guys are doing well. Today is a beautiful sunny Saturday. The skin is saying hi. Please show love to the skin because what I just washed my face, you guys, so it's popping and glowing and doing its thing. So so guys, it's a beautiful Saturday. Like I said, today is a chilled nice Saturday. I said pause with the school books. I was like pause because listen, mental health comes first, because that's gonna slanya because of school, honestly speaking. But yeah, today is a nice chill Saturday. I'm even listening to music over there, so it's a nice chill Saturday. I'm even thinking of cooking for the first time in 10,000 years. I'm not proud of what I'm saying right now, okay? I am not proud. I should actually stop ordering. Yeah, I should actually stop ordering. So today I decided to say I'm going to cook. Like, I'm just gonna have a nice chill Saturday. You know what? Show love to myself, because when last did I just chill, sit down, like watch music, wind down and stuff like that? So this is the day that I'm gonna do like show some love to myself, you know. So I was like, you know what, let me cook and stuff like that, because tomorrow is Sunday. I won't be able to like chill because I have to prepare for the week that's coming. So this week was terrible, honestly. I don't know how many times I wrote submissions every day. Like, yo, that week showed me flames. This past week, oh, it showed me flames. But you know what? We dust ourselves and we rise again and forward we go. But I'm about to head out quickly to go to spa so I can come back and cook, because if I don't, I'm gonna become lazy and then I'm gonna order, and I don't want to do that. I don't know if I should take you guys along with me, or should I? Well, I see you guys when I come back. No, I'll see you guys when I come back.
Hey, hey, what I'm saying, do it to me one more time.
So I got back not so long ago. I was on a call with my boyfriend and I had to quickly wash the dishes. So yeah, that's why it took so long. But I got back a while ago. So I'm going to start cooking before I start being lazy. Alright, so I already took out the things and they're in the kitchen. So let me show you guys what I'm gonna cook. You guys, I have everything here. So I'm making rice. I was contemplating between macaroni and rice, but chicken makes sense with rice, so I decided on rice. And I'm gonna make a chicken curry. So I'm not a girl for hard labor. All right. I'm not about to chop, so I bought these mixed veggies in curry sauce. I really like this. It's so convenient for me, and it makes, what can I say, you can use it for chicken, you can use it for mince. I like the spiciness also in this curry. So yeah, I'm gonna make chicken curry. So I have my oil, my onions and my spices. I'm a girl for spices, and these are not all the spices I'll be using. So yeah, I'll just be making rice, chicken curry. Oh, and I forgot the mixed veggies in the fridge, so we're having mixed veggies on the side, but I'm gonna spice them up. I'm not gonna leave them simple like that. I'm gonna spice them up, or maybe fry them a bit. And yeah, let's get cooking.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. It's got. Me, myself, and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with the 3 kids in my home. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. No need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong because I realize I got myself and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. But I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. Yeah.
So you guys, I am done cooking after standing for hours on the stove cooking. I'm finally done. I think what made me take so long is vlogging, you know, like cooking and vlogging at the same time. Like, it's exhausting. But yeah, I'm finally done, and I'm about to like just chill and just like dig in and enjoy the rest of my night. That is it for today, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and tomorrow I want to go get the car washed because my car is so nasty. It's nasty dirty, honestly speaking. So yeah, I really hope that the car wash opens tomorrow. If they do, then I'll definitely go get the car washed because it really needs to be washed. But yeah, that's tomorrow's plans. So yeah, you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, I hope you guys are good and I hope you guys are doing well. It is another day of this vlog. I know the last time I spoke to you guys was when I was cooking, and I told you guys that on Sunday I'm gonna go get my car washed and be busy with schoolwork. Did your girl even touch the books? Did your girl even get the car washed? No, I didn't. But today is Monday. I don't know what time is it. I think it's 3:30. So yeah, I am going to go get the car washed because this car needs to be washed. I don't know. I don't even want to say when last this car was washed because it's embarrassing. It's embarrassing, you guys. It is so hot. I am so tired. I don't feel like going really. But this is the only chance I will get to get the car washed and stuff. So yeah, I'm on my way there. I'm not sure what time they close, but hopefully they still open around this time. And yeah, I didn't even put sunscreen, and I just hope where I'm gonna sit there's shade because damn. But yeah, you guys, let me head out to go get this car washed. And yeah, I can come back and then do some schoolwork. And yeah, I am still gonna wait. There's like how many cars? There's like 3 cars before mine. So properly, child. My car shouldn't go back. So you guys, ooh, I hope you guys can see me. Okay, this is the only angle I can find. The sun is not like blazing in. So I'm at the car wash and there's like 3 cars before mine, so I'm gonna wait. But hopefully like there's a lot of people that because I only see one guy that's washing the car. But I hope like when it gets clean inside, there's a lot of people that cleans the car inside, so I don't have to like wait for like forever. But yeah, I'm gonna go inside to go pay for the car wash, for the wash that I want, and then come back and give these guys the sticker so they know how to wash the car depending on the price I paid inside. So that's how they do the car wash over here. So yeah, let me go in because people are looking at me weirdish. Like, anyway, let me go in and pay for the car wash and then we'll just wait.
No limit, got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. Give you that black car. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby.
You guys, so I have my car and it is washed, so I'm going to the petrol station to fill the car up. And my car looks so good, it smells so good, and I'm so happy that finally it is washed. So yeah, I just want to go to the gas station quickly, pour some petrol, and then I'm heading back home. But it looks like it's going to rain. Like, why on the day I choose to wash my car, the rain wants to come? But as long as the car is clean inside, you guys, like outside, you know what, like I have no control. Hello, can I please have... Yes.
That's all.
Yes.
That's all.
Yes. I'm back at my place from washing the car and pouring some gas. So yeah, it's a bit gloomy outside, so this weather is changing. So just when I decided to get my car washed, it decided to rain, but it's okay. At least my car is washed and clean and stuff. So yeah, so yeah, I'm about to be on the books. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that, I'll see, but if I don't, that is it for today, you guys, and I'll see you guys when I see you, or when there's something interesting to vlog. So yeah.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, baby, I wonder, would you?
Hi guys, welcome. No. Well, yo.
Yes,
Hi
she's
guys,
vlogging.
welcome back to another day of the vlog.
And then
So
This is what I don't understand.
Musa, I don't understand.
what is
That's
going
you just
on?
believe it, bro.
First, why are people parking outside here?
I don't know.
They're causing chaos.
Imagine, bro.
I've been going
Oh, yeah?
on to YouTube,
Where have you
I
been?
know.
checking your profile, seeing maybe
Listen,
I missed something.
I'm vlogging more videos, but I'm
But
editing
it's
less.
slow. That's a problem.
That's a problem. So anyway, we are heading to copyright.
Wait, have you posted a video on YouTube before?
Copyright kancane, just for a second. Yes. So so guys, we're on our way to the mall to buy a gift for our friend. Tomorrow is his birthday, so he doesn't know this, but yeah.
Panicking, like,
Why
just
was
saw
he outside
this
then?
guy.
Oh, shit.
I was panicking, but
I thought you didn't know why we're going to the mall.
No, I did know.
Oh.
I needed to give him food.
You couldn't give him
Oh,
food
so
when we
he
got
looks
back.
She looks so
No,
cute.
because he was gonna eat now.
Oh, you brought him
You just come
food?
back from
Yeah.
training.
Oh.
No.
Because I'm trying to start the vlog and people are just talking.
Sorry.
Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys when we at the mall.
Bye
and-
guys, good news, good man. Yo,
Yo, it's been
Imagine
3
she's
minutes.
still talking to them.
Okay, let's talk. How many subscribers do you have?
1,180 something? 86.
So you're gonna vlog also tomorrow?
Yes.
Gina is going to be an
So-
influencer.
No, but
I don't think I want to be an Instagram influencer though.
No, you're going to
but
be
you might
those
end up
those-
just would like.
those relatable YouTubers.
Oh, okay. Guys, I'll see you guys when we're at the mall.
Yeah.
The
Bye
people-
guys.
Earlier, I was with my classmates. My friend.
My camera loves Mandisa. Look how cute she looks.
Always looks nice, even when she's like candid, and then us. So weird.
I have this. It's not cheap. Yeah, it's 5 quid hard.
Keep pointing out that Ash is walking around with three girls. And he said it again. Yeah.
But I mean, we're 3 hot girls, so what can we say?
It feels so good.
But do you the plain persons out there?
Sarah Gobis anything new, guys. And Mandis.
Lalela, Uchina didn't want me to use her point, so I'm using her glass.
It feels so. It's not those thick ones that causes like.
It's one of my favorites. Mara imali bengenayo. Ngicela sangiphe imali manje ngela. My eyes look like I haven't slept in years.
Okay, bye guys.
They can't see it, so they're probably like, what the hell?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought just to present it.
This is so cute. Like, please trust H&M to plug you guys. H&M is the best.
Okay. I'll rephrase. I don't think it's a problem that we always consider our partners.
That's fine.
Yeah. Quite shocking.
Ooh, that's so cute. Damn. No, that's really nice. That's yeah. Yay.
Just keep spending. Money comes back. And that's
Ash,
what I
are you gonna
always
wave to the people or you just gonna stand there?
This is Ash. This is our homie Ash. He's single, y'all.
He's single.
He's single, ready to mingle, you know what I'm
But
saying?
don't DM me,
Nice-
please.
Nice style.
Should I put your handle?
He be looking cute.
Oh.
He be looking fresh.
Oh.
Tell them what you
I don't have Instagram.
tell them what you be looking for.
What do you want? A smart girl? Yo. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. Look at the skin. It's saying hi. So, guys, I am back from the mall with my friends. Look what I got. I know I showed you guys earlier on, but I'm just showing you again. I got this Essence Extreme Shine lip gloss. I saw it from some YouTuber, but I can't remember who I was watching. I can't remember who the girl was, but yeah, I just saw it at Clicks. I think it was, I can't even remember. No, I have the slip. I forgot. I can't remember how much it was, but I think it was 50 something rand, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yes, it was 57 rand and 95 cents. So this is the lip gloss. It's so nice. I like it because it's not one of those thick lip glosses, but it actually feels nice, you know, like. Do you guys see that? So I really like it, you guys. This is my go-to girl from now on. I don't know how I'm only finding out about this lip gloss now at this day of age. I don't know how, but this is my girl from now on. Like, totally recommend. At Clicks, it was 57 rand something. Guys, I'm just gonna end today's vlog here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Birthday boy! Birthday boy!
I think my baby realizes how important he is to all of us.
Yes.
And today just showed him because
Greatness.
everyone showed up for him.
Greatness.
And yeah.
Can I say what greatness? Can I say what greatness is? Oh.